Hello guys, welcome back to App Creators. In today's video, we'll see how to create a secret diary using password encryption. Let's start. Open browser and just type MIT app inventor. Here you go. Click on this. See here it's create apps option. Click on that. It'll take you to a sign-in page. Here you see, well, I'm signing in using my Google account. You just gotta accept these terms of service, and you see a home page appears now. Today, as we are gonna see a secret diary with password encryption, let's start a project with this project name as secret diary. Good. Now let's just click on it. This is how it appears. Now first what we are gonna do is go to this layout option and say a vertical arrangement, and the height shall be fill parent and width shall also be fill parent. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna add a password text box. Before that, the vertical arrangement we are gonna say align horizontally center, also align vertically center. We are also going to add a button and a label here. The label, let's just change the color of the vertical arrangement. Background color shall be somewhat, let's just customize this. Go here and say somewhat like this. This looks good. And our text, this text color is going to be default, and let's just change it red. Background color, customize, say like this. Text color shall be white, and the text shall be nothing. Enter. And the text for the button 1 is going to say enter. Okay. This one, let's just go to the click on this password text box 1, and the hint is going to be enter the password. Now you're in. Before we do everything, we gotta go on here, vertical arrangement, and you're gonna say uncheck box, uncheck the visible checkbox so it won't appear here. Now we are gonna add another vertical arrangement layout, and you say another vertical arrangement. Width is going to be fill parent and height is also going to be fill parent. In this one, you're going to add a text box, which below it we are going to add another horizontal arrangement. Inside this horizontal arrangement, 2 buttons, 1 and 2. Now we are gonna add another text box, label. That should be better. Text first for the buttons, the horizontal arrangement here. We're gonna say height is gonna be fill parent and width is also gonna be fill parent. For this text box also, height fill parent and width shall be fill parent. Label, height fill parent, width also fill parent. We'll say automatic for this. Yeah, it's better. Now for label, we're gonna change the background color to white. Yes, instead of white, can make it somewhat look like orange. For this one, make it as something like yellow. Customize it. Click on this and go to customize. Just darken it a bit like this. White is better. Yeah. Maybe you can keep it as green. Normal yellow. That's better. Now we are going to change the text for the buttons. Button 3 shall be change and this one's text is gonna be save. And for this horizontal arrangement, we're gonna say align horizontally center, vertically center. That's good. Just say background color as cyan. Yeah. This one's also gonna be blue. This one is gonna be red. Let's just check text color to white. This one's text color white. Right. Now we are done. All we gotta do is go to the blocks. Before it, there are label in this section. Let's just erase this text as empty. And now you go to the blocks. But before going to the box, we forgot one more thing. Why don't leave it equal size? It doesn't look good. Just gonna change the size of the text box. So height, I'm gonna change it to pixels. It's gonna be 70. Let's just check. Yeah, 70 is good. And the background color, let's change to white. That's better. Yes. Now let's go to blocks and let's just say button. Now we gotta rename the buttons. It'll be easier for us to arrange the blocks. Button 2, which is nothing but the save button. Just say save button, or you can say save btn, which is short form of button. This is gonna be change. You wanna see how btn is? Btn, yeah. And now let's go to label ed personal text container. Yeah. And next one, now let's go to this horizontal arrangement. Say unvisible, and this one we are gonna say visible. See here, button 1 is gonna be renamed as enter btn, and the label 1 is gonna be wrong btn. Now it's saved. Let's go to the blocks. Let's say when save button dot click. When save button dot click, let's go to control and say if then. Here we're gonna say if. Sorry, I made a mistake. We are not gonna use this if when save button. That's the wrong one. We are gonna see enter button. When enter button dot click, say if then. Go to max and drag out an equal to component. Let's also go to max, this one, and let's go to this password dot text box dot text is equal to say 1 2 3 4, okay, something like that. Then set vertical arrangement to at visible to true. You're gonna go to the setting, click on it, and you say else if. Else you just click on this and say Control CV. Again, click it on this. When you say this equal to, you change it to not equal to. So you're saying if the password text box 1.text is not equal to 1234, then you gain Control C, Control V, and you put it here. You say it's now visible. It's gonna be false. Okay. Now it's done. This part is done. Now let's go to this part. Let's say when save button dot click. You say set personal text container dot text to say text box 1.text, or just say Control CV. You're gonna say when change button, just delete this, change button dot click. We're gonna say set personal text container dot text to the text. This text string, say it's gonna be empty. That's it. Congratulations, you have created your first secret diary with password encryption. You can modify it as you want. Also, we can also add another component, because you see here we added a label. Can you see this wrong? But change name as wrong label. Says it's just give work for this wrong label. Else if password xbox 1.text is not equal to 1234, then you're gonna say that this wrong label, say set wrong label dot text to say wrong password. Yeah, that's better now. If you think this label is not so necessary, you can like add just go to media and add text to speech component. Oops, sorry, it's a speech recognition. Okay, text to speech component, and say speed rate is gonna be 2, pitch rate let it be default, and now we're gonna say that the blocks, but for that you gotta remove this label. Let's just delete this label. When we say set when password textbox 1.text is not equal to 1234, let's say text to speech, call text to speech dot speak message shall be wrong password. We can keep it like this. Or else if you don't think that, let's just modify this. I think this is enough for now. In the next video I will tell you to make a secret diary with a speech recognition in encryption. Okay, so until now it's Krishiykeishav. See you next time. If you like this video, comment below if you have any doubts, like this video, share and subscribe. Meet you next time. Bye.